It's about like 6:30 a.m. right now, and I'm gonna show you guys.
Up ski center. Ski center. People up and slide down. Marmara.
What's up, guys? So we're 2 hours in now, or honestly, I'm really tired. Already really sleepy. This is our first pick. Apparently, some safari. Looks cool. Doesn't look that bad.
करती जा मेरे दिल को तू जखना चूर करती जा जाहिर जो तेरा ये गुरूर मुझे तू ये बताती जा इस जख्म का मरहम क्या क्यों थोड़ी रस्म वफा इम्तिहान बड़ा है ना जैसे ये हुआ खसारा ना मैं संभला दोबारा आए ना करार दिल को ये बेबसियां
Could you please repeat that? So this is the first sultan.
First Sultan.
Second over there.
Clock Tower.
Clock tower over there.
Mustafa Inkiyasa.
Alright, boys, we're gonna go and see what the first sultan looked like. I mean, we're gonna go to his tombs, I guess. I don't. Okay, guys, so we finally visited both the sultans and obviously the other martyrs of Islam. And now I'm just looking through, and we're gonna be seeing this amazing view. Like, just see this.
मैंने तू था निभाया साथ बड़ा नहीं तो खाक ढूंढूं मुझे यहाँ उठ जा कबूल ना हमें
Loner chair, I'm not gonna lie, it's so hot.
दूर जा तो खाक हम जिए
It's actually scorching cold right now, man. Notice though, a lot of children came here for like their high school, their trip, like field trip. You get me? Like there's so many of them. Like and they all seem like they're from this different schools though, so I don't exactly know. But like I saw 3 different groups. Yeah, see that's one group right there. That's the other one over there on the side. Yeah, there's so many groups. Oh, so it's really lively though. I'm really hesitant on having this chai right now. This chai just looks absolutely like heavenly right now. But I've already had like 2 coffees today. I feel like if I get a third one, oh wait, I didn't even see this. Okay, so the clock of the Pisa Clock Tower. So of August 2095. And this was the original thing itself. This was the clock. Yeah, pretty interesting though. This is cool. That is definitely cool. Now I need to find my tour guide, and I don't have internet, so I definitely have to do something. Oh look, another school group spotted. So 3 groups we spotted so far. That kid, man, bro was having a cyclist of his life, bro. Bro was singing for some, I think, school or like some official like thing. Now I don't exactly know what it is, but it seems pretty cool. Bro, this weather, it's so unpredictable. 2 seconds ago, it was scorching hot, and now it's like, it has pretty decent, like it's a really moderate weather now. Now the thing is, I can't find anyone for my tour guide. I'm afraid that they just left me over here, but I can be wrong. Hopefully I'll find someone. I can't technically find anyone for my tour guide, and I have a hint that I think everyone already left or is at the very end, so I'm gonna go check that.
On May the 29th, 1453, Sultan Mehmed II enters Constantinople. He's 21 years old, proclaims himself Kaiser-i-Rum, the new Caesar of Rome.
Everybody calls it the fall of Constantinople. It wasn't a fall. Nothing fell. It was the conquest.
समझ नहीं आ रहा कहाँ आ गए. We came to this jam looking shop. It looks alright. Wouldn't say it's the best, but it's alright.
ना हम सफर कोई ना अपना घर यारा रहता हूँ बहती नाव में मैं भागा भागा सदियों से जागा आया हूँ मीलों करके इरादा मैं भागा
Give me such a hard attack with that dog, yeah. Dog push. Well, I don't know how high we exactly came. So really, actually, if you can see, this is really, really foggy. That's right.
ना घर यारा रहता हूँ बहती नाव में मैं भागा भागा सदियों से जागा आया
Craziest experience I've ever done, man. This is insane. It feels so unreal. It's so cold, though. It's really cold. People's gloves right there falling off. And someone's hat as well. Bro, this is unreal. This will be the first and only and last time I ever bought a picture. The only reason why is because it has so much aura in this picture. Like, you guys have no idea. I'll show it to you guys probably right now. But right now, bro, I'm literally stepping on snow. Literally my first time stepping on snow. Let's quickly clean your snow, bro. Oh my god, bro, this is insane. And it's so cold as well. Oh my god, bro, I need to like put my phone somewhere. Okay, I want to record myself. Oof. It's crazy. Oh. Touching snow for the first time, bro. Oh, I literally feel like baraf, bro. Look at this, like gola ganda. Man, it's freezing. The more downer I go, the more scarier it gets, bro. I don't know if I should go downer than this, man. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god, bro, this is insane. Bro, this, you know, this view right here is like everything, man. It's showing me. Oh my god, man, it looks really, really nice. There's. I am genuinely going to fall, bro. Oh my god, man. Walking in this stuff is hard. Oh, someone tried to build a snowman, man. Oh, I feel so bad. I'm just gonna like kick the shit, bro. Okay. Let's walk around and explore. Let's put it this way as well. I mean, like, you guys been seeing my legs most of the time. Let's try to walk through and see it. This is how it looks right now, bro. Oh. Further down, I don't think there's really much over there. Probably walking through and then. As much as I do love this place and I do want to chill, I think it's time for me to take a U-turn now. If any of my friends are watching this right now, we have to plan like a tour or something where we stay in these places for like a day or two at least. Like, this is hard to capture in just one day, or like actually it's like 10 minutes. But I mean, you gotta rush through it, innit? Like, imagine you're just sitting there. Like, imagine you're just gonna be sitting there and just like drinking coffee or something. Imagine skiing all the way back down there. You can't even see anything because that's how high we are. Insane, yeah. I know, right? We start off from here. Okay, shit, this actually looks really, really scary. This is very scary. Oh my god, no, you should not stop. You should not be stopping like this.
अपनी मैं यूं संभालूं साथ देना,
But I'm not too sure, so don't hold me accountable if I